join the entire Filipino nation in the observance of the Maritime and Archipelagic Nation Awareness Month. Our country is fortunate and blessed with vast maritime and archipelagic resources that can be utilized for the benefit of our people. As stewards of this incredible gift, it is incumbent upon us to preserve and develop these resources to their fullest potential. This year's celebration of Manamu is a clarion call to raise greater consciousness on maritime and archipelagic concerns, as well as to engage our people in protecting our maritime interests and resources from various threats. As this important occasion also coincides with the observance of Fish Conservation Week, International Coastal Cleanup Day, and National Maritime Day, I encourage everyone, especially our youth, to support and to join the countrywide coastal cleanup and conservation activities. Everything starts from each of us, and with all of us working together, we will soon harvest the fruits of our hard work and realize a sustainable and greener future for everyone to enjoy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Taus-pusong pagbati, ito po si Jesus Escudero. Sa lahat ng opisyal at miyembro ng Philippine Association of Maritime Institutions o PAMI, higit pa sa lahat ng mga estudyante ng iba't ibang institusyon kaugnay sa maritime education sa ating bansa. Sa pangunguna na Ginoong Sabino Sar Cloma Manglikmot II, karangalan ko po makibahagi sa Maritime and Archipelagic Nation Awareness Month o Manamo 2024. Importante at mahalaga para sa akin ang mga pagdiriwang at paggunita tulad nito upang ating palaging alalahanin ang pinanggalingan, pinagsimulan, kasalukuyang kalagayan at nais nating marating ng sektor ng maritime institutions. Kapapasa pa lamang po ng Senado at ng Kongreso ang Seafarers Act na naglalayon na ayusin ang sitwasyon at kalagayan ng ating maritime industry at future seafarers. Patuloy na huhubugin namin ang batas na ito para maglikha ng panibagong hanay ng seafarers hindi lamang para sa loob ng ating bansa, pero higit pa sa labas ng Pilipinas. Andito at bukas ang pintuan ng inyong Senado upang dinggin po ang inyong mga hinaing, mga pangailangan at anumang mga pagbabagong nais niyong magawa sa kasalukuyang umiiral na batas o marahil bagong batas na kailangan ipasa kaugnay ng inyong sektor. Dalangin ko po na tunay na maging matagumpay ang PAMI at dalangin ko rin po na tunay na maiangat na natin ang kalidad ng buhay at pagtatrabaho ng ating mga kasalukuyan at future seafarers. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon. Nabatiin kayo. Karangalan ko ito at mag-iingat sana ang bawat isa sa inyo.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalo na sa ating mga kapwang marinero at mga minamahal nating estudyante at guro sa larangan ng maritim. As a nation deeply rooted in the seas, it is our shared responsibility to honor and protect the maritime heritage passed down to us by generations who depended on the oceans for sustainable trade and progress. Today's synchronized flag ceremony is a powerful symbol of our unity as a maritime nations and a reminder of the indispensable role the sea plays in our country's history and future. As a former master mariner and ship captain, I had the privilege of navigating the world's oceans, but no matter where I sailed, it was always the water surrounding our nations, the beautiful archipelago, that held the deepest meaning for me, the Philippines, a nation of over 7,600 islands, owes its past and future to the seas connect us all. As your speaker today, I feel immense pride knowing that you are the future of our maritime industries. You are the next wave of seafarers, the next future captains and future chief engineers and professionals who will not only steer vessels across the globe, but will also lead charge in protecting and preserving our oceans. Most likely, he'll also be a future politician and leader of our country. The seas offers boundless opportunities, economic growth, international trade, and cultural exchange, but they also challenge us to rise the equations of sustainable development with climate change, pollution, and overfishing, threatening our maritime resources. It is crucial that we act now to ensure that the vital lifeblood of our nations is preserved as a future generations. To PAMI and the entire maritime community, let us continue to lead by example. Let us advocate responsible maritime practices that will strengthen our maritime educations and contribute to policies that protect our seas and the communities that depends on them. The Black Rice Day is not just a symbol of national pride, it is a reminder of our duty to our seas and our people and our future. Muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang marino, mabuhay ang pamana at karagatan, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Ito po si Captain Kimer Adante Olaso, the First District Representative of Zamboanga City. Maraming salamat po. God bless you always.
The Department of Transportation joins the Philippine Association of Maritime Institutions in celebrating Maritime and Archipelagic Nation Awareness Month. We believe your celebration should focus on the role of young Filipinos in protecting and preserving our valuable maritime resources for future generations. We fully support your shared advocacy of developing future maritime leaders who will respect our marine environment. Sailing together enables us to harness our collective strength, particularly at molding Filipino seafarers to be the world's top mariners. Mabuhay!
All our maritime students and to all the maritime students, thank you for what you do and good luck and God bless all your journey to become maritime seafarers. Kaya-kaya niyo yan. We believe in you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sa mga estudyante po ng PAMI, good luck po sa inyong pag-aaral. Napakahalaga ng inyong magiging papel sa ating maritime, sa ating bansa. Kaya pinagdarasal ko ang inyong tagumpay bilang sa pag-aaral natin sa pagkatupad ng inyong mga pag-aaral. God bless you. Is natin sa ito yung Kuya.
Happy Maritime Archipelagic Awareness Month. As the President of the Philippine Association of Maritime Institutions, I extend my deepest gratitude to all maritime schools, educators, and students for their unwavering dedication of shaping the future of our industry. Maritime education stands at the heart of the Philippine legacy as a global leader in maritime, driving our nation's success on the world stage. This month, we celebrate not just our past achievements, but the promise of the future, where we can continue to nurture and empower the next generation of maritime professionals to lead with skill, integrity, and innovation. Together, we sail forward, charting a course towards a stronger, more resilient maritime education sector and continue to make our nation proud. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.